With Toyota Safety Sense P, the PreCollision System, or PCS, uses an in-vehicle camera and millimeter wave radar to help detect the vehicle in front of your vehicle. When the PreCollision System determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with that vehicle is high, it prompts the driver to take evasive action and brake by using an audio and visual alert. These alerts operate when the vehicle speed is between approximately 7 and 110 miles per hour. If the driver notices the hazard and brakes, the system may provide additional braking force using brake assist. This system may apply greater braking force in relation to how strongly the brake pedal is depressed. If the driver does not brake in a set time and the system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with another vehicle is extremely high, the system may automatically apply the brakes, reducing speed in order to help the driver avoid the collision or help reduce the impact. The PCS system included with the TSSP package may operate automated braking for potential collisions with other vehicles when vehicle speeds are between 7 and 110 miles per hour. In certain conditions, the PCS system included with the TSSP package may also help to detect pedestrians. If the PreCollision system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with a pedestrian is high under certain conditions, it prompts the driver to take evasive action and brake by using an audio and visual alert followed by brake assist. These pedestrian alerts operate when the vehicle speed is between approximately 7 and 50 miles per hour. If the driver does not brake in a set time and the system determines that the risk of collision with a pedestrian is extremely high, the system may automatically apply the brakes, reducing speed in order to help the driver avoid the collision or reducing the impact. Auto brake for pedestrians operates at speeds of between 7 and 50 miles per hour for potential collisions with pedestrians. If the PreCollision system auto braking occurs and brings the vehicle to a complete stop, the system retains brake pressure for approximately 2 seconds. Here is some important additional information from your owner's manual. The TSS PreCollision system with pedestrian detection function is dependent on the front grille-mounted millimeter wave radar and in-vehicle camera's ability to detect and see clearly a preceding vehicle or pedestrian on relatively straight roadways, as well as the visibility and detectability of the preceding vehicle or pedestrian itself. The system may not operate under the following conditions: when visibility to the front is poor due to bad weather, when there is a sudden appearance of a vehicle or object in the road in front of the vehicle, such as if another vehicle pulls out in front of you, when driving around locations with sharp curves or undulations, when something is on the sensor, such as bugs, dirt, ice, etc., when there is intense light from the front, such as strong sunlight or the high beams of an oncoming vehicle. Additionally, motorcycles or bicycles may not be detected by the system. The PreCollision system with pedestrian detection will not avoid collisions under all conditions. Do not depend on the system or use it in place of emergency brake operation. Drivers are responsible for their own safe driving. Always pay attention to your surroundings and drive safely. See your owner's manual for more information on the limitations of the Toyota Safety Sense PreCollision system with pedestrian detection function.